Today, I'm diving into Node-RED, an open-source flow-based development tool that's widely used in smart home automation and IoT projects. This platform is designed to make automation easier by providing a visual programming interface. But does it actually deliver on its promises? I'll take you through the setup process, key features, and my honest thoughts on usability. First off, installing Node-RED is fairly straightforward, whether you're running it on a Raspberry Pi, Docker, or a cloud service. The web-based editor is clean, but it might feel overwhelming if you're new to automation. The concept of flows is central to Node-RED. These are sequences of nodes that process and transmit data between different smart devices and services. The drag-and-drop interface makes creating automations intuitive. But if you're not familiar with JavaScript or JSON, there's a bit of a learning curve. One of Node-RED's biggest strengths is its extensive library of community-created nodes. You can easily integrate with MQTT, Home Assistant, Google Home, and countless other services. However, this flexibility also comes with its downsides. Since it's open source, you might run into compatibility issues or bugs that require troubleshooting. Documentation is available, but it's not always beginner-friendly, and support depends largely on community forums. Security is another factor to consider. While Node-RED itself doesn't have built-in user authentication, you can set up access control, but it requires additional configuration. If you're planning to expose it to the internet, you'll need to take extra security precautions, such as using a reverse proxy and SSL certificates. Performance-wise, Node-RED runs smoothly on lightweight hardware, but as your automation setup grows, you might notice latency issues, especially if you're handling a lot of data-intensive tasks. It's great for DIY home automation, but for mission-critical smart home setups, some users prefer more polished solutions like Home Assistant. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cashback on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the standout features of Node-RED is its flexibility. You're not locked into a specific ecosystem, unlike many commercial smart home platforms. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering and customizing every aspect of your automation, it's a fantastic tool. However, if you want a plug-and-play experience, you might find it frustrating to set up and maintain. A common complaint is that updates sometimes break existing flows. Since many nodes rely on third-party integrations, an update to a service, like MQTT, or a firmware change on a smart home device can cause unexpected issues. This means you'll need to actively manage and maintain your Node-RED setup, which might not be ideal for casual users. For developers and advanced users, the ability to create custom function nodes using JavaScript is a major advantage. You can build complex automations that go far beyond what most commercial smart home hubs allow. But again, this requires some coding knowledge, so it's not as beginner-friendly as platforms like Home Assistant. To sum up, Node-RED is a powerful and flexible tool for home automation, but it's not for everyone. If you're comfortable with troubleshooting and have some technical background, it's an excellent choice. However, if you want a simple, out-of-the-box solution, you might be better off with a more user-friendly platform. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home automation reviews and tutorials.